Welcome to Art Bronze. I'd like to show you the process we use to cast quality bronze and stainless steel sculptures. We do it all right here in our own foundry in San Fernando, California, and the process takes between 6 and 10 weeks. Let's use this magnificent bronze eagle by Jules Monnier as an example of the 10 steps in our lost wax casting process. Our work begins here, making a silicone rubber mold of the original artwork. Because of the complex form of this particular sculpture, we need 7 separate molds. We pour wax into the molds to make hollow wax positives. We remove seam lines and any imperfections in the wax. Our artisans then meticulously refine every detail to match the original sculpture. Next, we add a pouring cup and a series of gates that allow the molten bronze to flow down into the art. At the end of the process, everything you see here in red wax will be in bronze. We build a ceramic shell around the wax. We do this by dipping the wax into liquid ceramic and then coating it with multiple layers of silica. The shell has to dry for a day or more between each dip, and a shell needs at least 8 dips. So it takes 2 full weeks to build up a shell around the wax. We burn the wax out of the shell, leaving an empty space that we can pour the bronze into. This gives our lost wax casting process its name. We melt ingots of pure bronze to about 2,000 degrees. Then we pour the molten bronze into the hot ceramic shells. After a couple of hours, they're cool enough to handle. We knock off the ceramic shell for the first time, revealing the raw bronze inside. We sandblast off any residual shell. Finally, we cut off the gating, which we can then remelt to cast another sculpture. Next comes the critical part called metal chasing, where we assemble the various parts of the sculpture and retexture the surface so that no one can see where we've worked. The more invisible our hand, the better the job we've done. After the sculpture has passed another inspection and is free of any imperfection, we finish the bronze with a process called patination, which is a combination of high heat and chemicals that bring out a beautiful color in the metal. As you can see, our lost wax casting process involves lots of time and the skills of many experienced artisans. But look at the gorgeous result in this bronze eagle. Here's this same sculpture in stainless steel, which is a great option to consider, especially if it will be displayed outdoors. Its gleaming finish is dazzling in sunlight and will maintain its look for many years. Thanks for visiting us here at Art Bronze. If you're in the Los Angeles area, I'd love to give you a personal tour. Just come on by. But if you're not available, come visit us anytime on the internet at artbronze.com. Until then,